Rainforests are the most biodiverse biomes on Earth. Where can they be found? Tropical rainforests, the more well-known and publicized of the two types, are found in the equatorial zone, most commonly in Southeast Asia, Sub-Saharan Africa, Central and South America, and islands throughout the Pacific Ocean. Temperate rainforests are found in temperate regions, like northwestern North America, parts of Europe, and Australia and New Zealand. These rainforests are characterized by coniferous trees and a lower average temperature than tropical rainforests. While different agencies, governments, and scientists have differing definitions for what constitutes a rainforest, a common definition is any forest that accumulates 8 feet of rain or more in an average year. Smart, hip, short. 3 quick points.